Can cats eat uncured ham? No, cats should not eat uncured ham. While uncured ham sounds like a healthier option because it does not use artificial nitrates or nitrites, it is still unsafe for your feline friend. The biggest problem with uncured ham is the extremely high salt content. Pork processing relies on heavy sodium, even without chemical preservatives. Eating too much salt can cause sodium ion poisoning in cats, leading to severe dehydration, vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and even kidney damage. Additionally, uncured ham contains high amounts of fat, which can trigger painful pancreatitis in felines. You might also wonder if cats can consume fresh pork, or if raw uncured ham is fine for a cat. Raw pork carries a high risk of dangerous bacteria like salmonella and parasites like toxoplasma, which can make your pet critically ill. Cooked uncured ham often includes garlic or onion powder as well, both of which are toxic to cats and destroy their red blood cells. If you want to feed your cat pork, offer a small piece of plain, unseasoned, fully cooked pork loin instead. If your pet accidentally consumes seasoned or raw pork, consult a qualified veterinarian immediately for proper guidance. Keeping your cat on a balanced meat-based diet is the best way to keep them healthy.